Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Lens in the Google app or camera and pointing your phone at the item you want to process. Once the camera detects content, tap the lens circle. This triggers analysis. Make sure camera permission is allowed so Lens can capture text, objects, or signs. You do not need to switch apps. Use Live View. If you need a clearer result, move closer or tap to focus before tapping the lens circle to freeze the frame and begin recognition. Once done, select the mode. Search for visual answers, translate for instant language conversion, or text to extract and copy words. You can tap the mode icons at the bottom, then drag selection handles to isolate exactly what you need. For translation, confirm source and target languages. Lens shows a preview and overlays translated text. For copying, tap Copy Text and paste into notes or email. For deeper info, tap the Shop or Identify actions. To finish, tap Done or the back arrow to save, share, or paste the extracted content, then close Lens. If text is fuzzy, make sure lighting is steady and contrast is high and try again. This improves OCR accuracy. If Lens doesn't respond, restart the app, check permissions, or clear the app cache. Make sure your Google app is updated. If problems persist, reboot the device. This often resolves camera or permission glitches and restores Lens functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.